Still on Matters Business, Kenya Power has launched a wildlife protection program aimed at reducing the electrocution of birds of prey and other animals along the electricity network. The initiative focuses on power lines crossing key wildlife corridors where protective covers will be installed on high-risk sections identified as electrocution hotspots.
Electrocution of animals and human activities account for most cases of power outages in Kenya, estimated at 50%. Of these, 30% are attributed to wildlife contact with power lines. To this end, the utility firm is adding safeguarding measures to reduce electrocution of animals.
One of the challenges KPLC has been facing is interruptions of power supply. We are in business, so we sell energy. And one of the things that we want to ensure is to maximize or optimize on availability of our network. So outages is a negative to our business.
What we are doing here is one, protection of the wildlife, and two, trying to make the utility more reliable and eliminating outages caused by interaction with the wildlife.
The Wildlife Protection Project has kicked off at the Soisambu Conservancy, where electrocution of birds of prey has been reported. The conservancy is known as a habitat for Kenya's raptors, such as the Ogo buzzard and martial eagle, species that utilize power lines and poles for perching and hunting.
I have at my place, for example, an auger buzzard that was electrocuted 40 years ago. He's still with us. He's got a missing wing. But these days, we're getting so many birds coming into our rehab centres, both at Naivasha and here on Soisambu, which have been electrocuted, giving you a good indication of just what percentage of birds are being electrocuted.
The project is tipped to substantially reduce cases of electrocution of wildlife, as well as electricity outages. Alan Auko, Prime Edition.